Hi traders, Adam Ryan here from Optic Trading, and today we're going to be talking about what to do after the trading day. There's three things you want to do after each and every trading day, and the first one is you got to be writing in your journal and your spreadsheet. So your journal is going to be where you keep all your observations, maybe your screenshots, pictures of the charts, where you got in, where you got out, how you were feeling, your emotions, all those kind of things are going to be in your journal. Now your spreadsheet is going to be where you're tracking everything, and that's where you're going to be really honing in on your performance. So all the metrics you use to track performance are going to be in your spreadsheet. Now you're going to need both of these things together because later on, if you're having any difficulties or any problems, or you just want to improve your trading further, if you don't have anywhere to look at performance and see how you've done in the past, it's kind of hard to change that going forward. So you got to make sure that you're tracking your performance and you have it in an area that can easily be reviewed. The second thing we want to be doing is training. Trading is a performance discipline. Just like a professional athlete would go train, they spend most of their time in the gym and training and the least amount of their time actually performing and playing the game. Trading is no different. Now, imagine that you wanted to be a professional golfer. You wouldn't just go out to the PGA Tour and say, okay, I haven't really played, but I want to get in here with you guys and start training, and we'll see how it goes, right? And they wouldn't even allow you to do that even if you tried. But with trading, all you have to do is open up a brokerage account and they let you go. So we got to make sure that you're training. Now there's many different ways you can train. I'll give an example here. Let's say you have a problem with execution. So if you got a problem with execution, then what you want to be doing is you want to be going in on market replay, and what is that is you're downloading the days and you're replaying them live, so the markets start ticking, but they're speeded up, so they're replayed of previous days. So let's say you go into a day, you replay it at 20 times, and you're just honing in on your execution. So you're making sure that you can react fast enough, you're executing flawlessly exactly how you plan to do, and you're doing that at 20 times. Now when the market comes live and you're trading in live conditions, it's going to be much easier to trade and execute because you're used to doing it at 20 times. Now that's just one example of what you could do, but there's many other examples of how you can train. You got to be going through historical charts. You got to be working on sim. You got to be using market replay because you have to train. You got to see these patterns over and over and over again. Now some patterns may happen once a month. Some patterns may happen 2 or 3 times a year. So if you only see it 2 or 3 times a year, if you're not training and you haven't practiced that so many times, the chances are pretty high that you're not going to be able to successfully execute that pattern. So you have to train. Now the third thing is you got to take time away from trading. Now I know it may sound counterproductive. Why would I want to take time away from trading? I'm trying to be a good trader here. But if you let trading consume your life and all you're doing is trading, you're studying, you're training after the close, you're filling out your journal, you're reading books, you're using 12 to 18 hours a day on trading, then when things start going bad for you, or you have a tough time or a drawdown, which they will come, it's going to be amplified and it's going to seem much worse. And the reason for that is because you just made trading your whole life. Trading's all you got. So if it starts going bad, then your whole life starts going bad because trading's everything you have. So you have to make sure that trading's not your life, but it fits into your life. You need a balanced life. What you need to do is have good relationships, do things you enjoy, things that make you happy, be around people you love, do things that just complete your life, and that's what's going to lead you to having a great, successful trading career. If you're doing these 3 things, you're going to be well on your way to a successful trading career. If you want to get serious with your trading and trade on a professional level, you should check out the Optic Trading Professional Trading course. The link will be in the description down below. Thanks for watching.